Hey guys, it's Courtney and it is Friday, so we have another fantastic Friday video for you today. Today we're going to show you a man cage. It's a pretty quick video, just a little preview of it before we get it all finished. So check out this video and leave us some comments and likes. Have a good day.
Hey guys, what you see here is a man cage. No ladies, it's not for your husband. But this is used in emergency situations or as a means of transportation into and out of a mine. This man cage was sent to us to be repaired and restored back to a safe and fully functioning piece of equipment. So we'll be removing all of the rust, fixing all the bent metal and the rods, and then also making sure that the door and the latches work properly. And of course, a fresh new paint job. This particular cage will move up and down wood poles in a salt mines. And once this is fully restored, I'll post a picture on Facebook to show you guys the finished product. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope you guys have a great weekend.